Hello and welcome to this video by blackberry unlocking.biz, where we're going to be showing you how to unlock your BlackBerry Bold 9700. To unlock a phone, you're going to need your IMEI number, your PRD code, and with those two bits of information we are able to make you an unlock code. To find your IMEI number, click on the BlackBerry key and go over to the options menu, and then you'll go over to the status option. On newer models, you'll have to go on to, after options, you'll have to go on to device and status information. Once you do that, you'll end up on the screen which shows you your IMEI number highlighted here. It's 15 digits long with a couple of dots in the middle. So we need to copy that information down. The next thing that you need is the PRD code. Now this is another sequence of letters and numbers, and it's found underneath the battery on your phone on the label, and there it is, PRD, in this example 2258049. Do try to be accurate with this information, otherwise we will not be able to make you an unlock code quickly and automatically. Now that you've got those two bits, we buy the code. Quite simply, you go over to blackberryunlocking.biz, you scroll down further down the page, and you'll find a small form where you can fill in the IMEI number and the PRD code that you found on your phone. Then click on the Buy Now option. It will take you to PayPal. Here you can log in with your existing account details, or if you don't have a PayPal account, you can log in. You can use the credit card option, where you just fill out your credit card details, name and address with an email address, and it will process the order. Once we receive your order, our system will automatically create an unlock code and send it back to your inbox. Now it's important that you check the junk and spam folders as well, as sometimes a lot of free mail services like Hotmail and Yahoo Mail tend to put a lot of emails, unfortunately, in the spam folder. So if you don't see anything in the first 10 minutes, do definitely check your spam and junk folders and see if there's anything there. If you haven't received an email from us, there's a possibility that some of the information you've sent us might be incorrect, and it kind of halts the process. So bear with us whilst we manually look at what tripped the system over, and we will email you manually and advise you what sort of needs to be double checked. So go over to your email account, whether it be at Gmail or anything, and check your inbox, spam and junk, and you'll find your unlock code. This is how you use your unlock code. Go back, starting from the home screen. Go into the BlackBerry options, and first thing we're going to do is switch off the wireless. So we're going to choose manage connections, and it's normally a good procedure to turn the mobile off and also the Wi-Fi, and then we go back and we start by going into options, then advanced options, and then SIM card. On this screen you might actually see less information than what this is showing you. What we now need to do on the keyboard, we won't see what we type, but we're going to type in the letters MEPD. So that's MEPD. When you do that, you're going to get this following screen. If you don't see it, try those letters again, because you might have mistyped something and basically it won't move forward onto this screen. Now the most important here right now to check is that network is active. If it is, your phone is blocked, and therefore we need to unblock it. But it's also possible that service provider is also active. So when we send you an email, we send you two codes. One of them will be if network is active, this is called the mep2 code, and one of them will be the service provider code. This is called the mep4 code. To get the phone to ask you for your code, what we need to do is type in MEP2 on the keyboard again. The most important thing that we need to do here is hold down Alt before we type the 2 and keep Alt pressed down. So on this screen, to unlock network, we press MEP D, sorry, I correct myself, MEP, and then hold Alt and press the 2. When you do that, the phone is going to ask you for the unlock code. At this stage, if you see that you have 0 left, then bad news. The 10 tries that you normally have to unlock your phone have been used up, and right now your phone is permanently locked to the original network. Okay, and any code that it's asking for you here, correct or incorrect, whatever you type in, it's basically going to reject it. So if you're on 0, your phone is hard locked to the original network, and we do provide a service whereby about a dozen different BlackBerry models can be reset, but not all of them. So you could be in a scenario where your phone is now permanently locked to the original network. But if you still have more than one attempt left, you now type in the code that we sent you in the email and then press enter to accept it. Once you've done that, you will see a message saying code accepted, and then you will see that network will change from the original status to disabled or inactive. Okay, if you had service provider active, then all you needed to do was MEP Alt 4, and by doing that, it would ask you for the mep2 key, and you just type in the code for that, and it will just disable it as well. You have now successfully unlocked your phone. Do give us a like on this video. Any comments or any feedback will also be appreciated. We're going to be making more videos for more models. Get your unlocking code for only $2.49 at blackberryunlocking.biz. We operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's an automated system, so you should get your code within about 2 minutes after your order. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.